Gilbert, how are you doing, man? Oh, I love this glorious cat. He's amazing. Okay, but do we have something to tell them? Yes. So, we need you guys' help. Gilbert and I need your help. So, what's up, buttercups? How are you guys doing on this gloriously, magnificently golden day? So, again, in case this is your first time watching the Golden Drive, my name is Elvis, and I feel like I'm one of those guys, one of those villains that are with cats all the time. That is like, oh, I'm gonna blow up, I don't know, your basement. I don't know. Okay, but let's get to the meats of this story. So, I need your help because in case you guys don't know, if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna leave it in a link in the description and also at the end of this video. I'm gonna be getting the brand new CA Corvette, right, Gilbert? Yeah. Gilbert knows, yeah. I'm getting the brand new CA Corvette, and it's gonna be kind of hard because I need to spec it. And there's so many options. There are so many different things that you can do to it to make it yours. Like the color of the car. What is he doing? I don't know. He's like putting his head on the color of the car, the color of the seat belts. If I wanted the Z51 package, the spoiler. If I want like a sunroof or not. If I want red brake calipers or blue so I'm just gonna go into the configurator screen, and because you can build your Corvette like yourself, not really build. You kind of configure it the way you want, and then so you can kind of have an idea. So whenever you go into the dealership, you kind of spec it out and you already know what you want. And so I will do that, and I need your help as well because I am confused on some colors. And so just let me know what you guys think from the colors I'm going to show you guys, from what I'm going to be selecting. And also, if you have any other specs, you can also go, I'll put the link in the description. You can go build your own Corvette, and then you send it to me or tag me in it on social media. I have an Instagram account at the Golden Drive. Gilbert, what are you doing? I have an Instagram account at the Golden Drive. It's at the Golden Drive. Just type it in Instagram to come there. Or you can go to our Facebook page as well, and you can do that. And just tag me in it and just see, let's just see if you can help me build my own Corvette because I might not know what I'm doing. So with that, let's head. We've been here for a while. Gilbert, you ready? Let's go to the screen. Okay, bye. Gilbert, give them a... Come on, please. Okay, sweet. Okay, so this is what the base model looks like. Those wheels look horrendous, first of all. So let's just go and build the wheels. Or no, that sounded terrible. Oof, I love this. This is one of my favorite angles. Just the side view. Oof, it's gonna be so good. Okay, let's start building this car up. Let's first of all go to exterior colors. I love this color so much. It looks kind of different on camera, but in real life, oof, it's gonna be glorious. And let's slide this over. Boom. Let's see. I'm still kind of confused if I want a body color roof or a transparent roof. Definitely not carbon fiber because I can wrap the body color any color that I want. But do I want a transparent roof or carbon fiber? That's what a transparent roof looks like. So look. And what's it called? Exterior colors again. I'm just gonna put this like this. Yeah, let's see that angle. Body color, probably body color. Yeah. Okay. So next we're changing those wheels. So you can have like carbon flash open spoke, blah blah blah, accessory tread and spoke. Yeah, I like these wheels. I like the carbon flash wheels, but I don't like that circle, that middle silver circle-y thingy. So I'm just gonna go with accessory black trident, which looks so good. Just look at the oh, this has me just so excited. Okay, cool. Next, let's see what else. Next, we have the exterior accents. So I'm probably gonna make this. How do you make this a big screen? No! I don't want to do that. Crap! Dang it! I did not want to do that, you idiot. Close. Okay, sweet. So we'll come back to the interior later. Okay, sweet. Okay, so next we're gonna performance and wheels. Now we've come here. Okay, brake calipers. Of course, I want them yellow. Ooh, look at those. Oh, exterior accents. Yep, standard carbon flash accents. They look amazing. Why would I want it body color? That's just terrible. So carbon flash painted mirrors. Let's see. Let's just leave this normal. I think I love the way those black thingies look. Yep, those black mirrors look amazing. Like that. Oh, this car looks so good. This car just looks so good, man. Okay. Exterior accents, come on. Of course I want the high wing spoiler. That's not even an option. Ooh. Oh my god, it looks good. Okay, go. Oh, it looks so good. Okay. Exterior accents, what else? Oh, the black on the bottom there. Yes. Ooh, look at, oof. Ooh. It looks so good. Sweet. What else? Interior colors. Nope, I haven't selected the trim yet. I'm probably gonna go for the base trim, honestly. Confirm. I don't care. I'm a cheap person, so I want this to be as cheap as possible, to be that like 60-ish K. So trim levels, we nailed that. Now this is what it comes with, a bunch of options, but yeah, red seats are nice. And then interior colors. Yep, I love the red. And we're just gonna go to the interior so you guys can take a look. Green and red, that's such a good combo. But yeah, this is my interior. This is so weird saying this. Okay, oh crap. Oh, I think you can do seat belts. Where are they? Seat belts, where are you? Trim levels. Interior colors. Seat belts. Come on, I know. Nope, cancel. You can do a bunch of stuff, but ooh, seats. And then seatbelt color, yellow. I don't know if that contrasts, but I don't know. I just kind of like the way it looks. How the yellow seat belts contrast with everything. What else? Interior color. I don't want to do carbon. Again, I want to make this as cheap as possible. Oh, you can also do blue seat belts or yellow. But I don't want yellow seat belts because... Oh, no, I just selected yellow seat belts. What am I saying? Wait, no, not red seat belts. Hold on. Trim, interior colors, seats, green. Green seat belt. I just love that contrast between the exterior and the interior. But yeah, this is gonna be so good. I still cannot believe that this is gonna be my car. So, and again, okay, I'm gonna go back to the exterior so you guys can take a look. But ooh, okay, so you can take off the roof again because it's a Corvette Stingray, and so you can take off the roof and just look at that side profile. Like, oh, it looks so good. And then look at the back. I hate those 4 tailpipes. That's one thing. So I'm gonna definitely have to get a new exhaust system, but also get like round tips. Round tips will look way better. But just look at that. That thing without that roof just looks so killer. So nice. So amazing. So awesome. And then with the roof again. I'm loving this car a little bit too much. I'm going to show you guys some other colors. This color looks so good too as well. So I'm still a little bit confused. And it doesn't look as good as in person. I saw a video of Mike from CP717 specking one like this. So maybe one like this with a green interior might be good. But this color looks so nice. So with and the orange too looks really good too as well. Let's look at that orange. And then the classic Corvette torch red just makes it look so much like a Ferrari. But I'm leaning between extra cost color. Oh, that's what they said. Which one is extra cost? This one? I love this color so much. This is gonna be between this and the blue. There's also a bunch of other colors, but I just love this color so much. And yeah, oh, let me turn off the studio lights. Ooh, and then you can just start with the commercial. In a world. Ooh. Oh my God. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm just dying right now. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Okay, I'm just gonna take some screenshots. I love it too that it lets you take screenshots of the car. Just pretty cool. But yeah, oh, I'm in love. Sweet. I'm gonna exit out this place. I don't even know how to exit out this place. But yeah, that's pretty much, that's the spec that I'll spec it. Green exterior, red interior, or blue. Oh, late availability. Dang it. So the blue, I guess it's gonna be late availability. So I think these three colors are gonna be like rare colors. So they might be late because they have plus on them. So I think these are the standard colors and these are the extra colors. So I might actually just make it Corvette red. Like that red is not bad at all. And if it's free, I'm so down. But if they start charging money like $2,000 or $3,000 for this paint, I'm just gonna get the red and then figure out what I'm gonna do about that, because the red is actually not bad. So just let me guys know what you guys think of what color I should go. Nope, definitely not silver or any of these colors, but the torch red is not bad. So just again, let me know guys what you guys think, and I want to get mine immediately, so I might just take the red and forget about everything else. So yeah, red interior, red exterior, and I love the green with the red, with the way they contrast. So that's pretty much it guys. I cannot still believe that I'm gonna be getting this car. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think. The color options are just endless, and it's kind of like, oh my gosh, it's making me want to go crazy. That's pretty much it guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this golden video. I'll catch you guys on the next magnificently golden drive. Bye.